In science, we have been learning about our bodies and what makes us different and what makes us similar. And this week, we're going to talk about our body and our body parts. And many of you already know your body and body parts really well. So, we're just going to talk about things like how many body parts we have, how many fingers and toes, but you guys all know that. So, what I'd like to tell you is that your body is very important and you need to look after it by making good choices and healthy habits and having healthy habits. Our bodies can be just great. And also, something very, very important to know is that your body is your body and that nobody should be touching your body to make you feel uncomfortable. And you can tell people, this is my body, please don't touch me if you don't want anybody to touch you. Okay, and right now with the coronavirus, we are trying not to touch anybody's bodies and trying to keep our bodies healthy and clean. So those things are very important for our bodies. Let's look at our books now and see what work you need to do for this week. Most important thing is learning how to label the body correctly. And I think that's going to be easy peasy for you guys. Okay. Okay, our science learners book this week. So we're doing with our bodies. These are the main parts of the body, which means they are the biggest parts of the body and the ones that we can see quite easily. So we have the head, and the head consists of the eye, mouth, our eyes, our mouths, our hair, our ears, and our nose. We have the shoulders over there. We have the fingers. We have the knees. We have the toes. We have the foot, leg, hand, and arm. And what you need to really worry about here is being able to write and read these words. So let's look. We have body, hair, ear, nose, arm, hand, leg, foot, head, eye, mouth, shoulder, fingers, knee, and toes. Okay, are there any other body parts that you can name? You guys can count your body parts, but I know you know how many body parts you have, I should hope. Can you count your body parts? How many legs do you have? We know. How many fingers do you have? How many mouths do you have? Do you know how to count them? Can you count all your fingers and all your toes? All right, well, you guys can also do this activity, but I've also sent you another worksheet with a PDF with a body that you can also cut out and label. And if you'd like to do activity 3.3, you're also welcome to do this. So you're going to cut out a picture of a person, label it with these body parts: head, hair, ear, mouth, shoulder, arm, leg, knee, foot, and hand. You can take a magazine picture from the magazine. And you're going to write what are the main body parts and what are the most important body parts. All right, so we're looking at our body parts and how they work and stuff like that, but I want you to focus on the words that we are learning and how to spell them, how to write them, and how to read them. So I've written some of words over here, and this says arm. So I'm going to stick this on my arm. Next one, I have hand. I'm going to stick this on my hand. There I can label my body parts. This one, I'm going to stick over here. It says body. And then I have my head. Okay, now I'm going to play a game where I choose which body parts I'm going to shake off, and see how many I can shake off. So I'm just going to try and shake off just my hand without the rest falling off. Okay, so you're going to have to shake really hard. Yay! Okay, my head. Yay, I got the head. Okay, I've still got arm. Oh, I think that's going to be tricky because it's on my clothes. Yay, I got it off. And my body one apparently already fell off. Okay, so you guys can play a game like this. You can write on a post-it note. You can practice writing the words, labeling your body. You can have fun with your brothers and sisters. You can also just write on a piece of paper with some sticky tape and put it on your clothes, but do not put glue on your clothes. And that's just a little fun game that you can use to get your body going and to practice writing and labeling for science.